The community health nurse plays a vital role in connecting national and global health efforts to the needs of individuals, families, and communities, positioned at the front line of public health. CHN promote wellness, prevent disease, and responds to emerging health challenges. Their work support both national priorities such as Philippine Health Agenda and global goals like the Sustainable Development Goals. Through their commitment, CHN helps build healthier or more resilient communities, contributing significantly to the achievement of universal healthcare and global well-being. Good day, everyone. Good day, future nurses. Our topic for today is the role of the community health nurse in the national and global healthcare delivery system. Global health refers to the health of populations in a worldwide context, extending beyond the limitations of the individual's nations. It emphasizes the importance of health equity, aiming to ensure that all Filipino, regardless of geographic locations or socioeconomic status, have access to essential health services. Global health involves collaborative international efforts to prevent and manage diseases, promote well-being, and respond to health emergencies that affect multiple countries. This includes initiative in preventions, treatment, and health promotions at a population level. Key organizations such as World Health Organization, the United Nations, and other international agencies provides guidance, resources, and coordination to support global health initiatives and foster international cooperation for better health outcomes worldwide. The relationship between national and global health goals is mutually reinforcing. National health priorities are designed to align with and contribute to broader global health objectives, ensuring that local health efforts support international targets. Initiatives such as Sustainable Development Goal 3, Good Health and Well-being, serve as the framework for guiding the national health policies and programs. International cooperations, including funding, research collaborations, and technical support, strengthen national health system and enables countries to respond more effectively to health challenges. Global threats such as pandemic, climate change, and emerging diseases necessitate coordinated actions between nations as the success of global health depends on each country's commitment and capacity to implement effective and sustainable health problems or health programs. Emerging and re-emerging diseases continue to pose significant threats to global health. New infectious diseases such as COVID-19, SARS, and Ebola have the potential to spread rapidly across country. While re-emerging diseases like tuberculosis, measles, and dengue remain persistent public health challenges, factors such as urbanization, global travel, antimicrobial resistance, and weak health system contribute to their spread. Addressing these diseases require international cooperations in surveillance, preventions, and rapid response to minimize their impact on populations worldwide. Climate change is another major global health concern. Rising temperatures increases the incidence of heat-related illnesses and vector-borne diseases, while extreme weather events like floods, typhoons, and drought disrupt food supply, sanitation, and living conditions. Climate change also affects air quality, water safety, and agricultural productivity, contributing to malnutrition and diseases. Effective mitigation requires environmental sustainability and adoption policies to protect the most vulnerable populations. Health inequities persist globally, reflecting disparities in access, quality, and health outcomes between wealthy and poorer populations. These inequities are influenced by poverty, education, gender, ethnicity, and geographic locations, with low and middle income countries often facing limited healthcare resources. Promoting universal health coverage and upholding social justice are essential steps towards achieving global health equity and ensuring that all populations benefit from advances in healthcare and disease preventions. The World Health Organization plays a central role in global health by leading efforts to promote health, safety, and well-being across nations. It develops international health regulations, guidelines, and response systems to ensure coordinated actions during health crises. World Health Organization implements a wide range of programs, including immunizations and disease control initiatives such as polio eradications, malaria preventions, maternal and child health programs, and prevention of non-communicable diseases like heart disease and diabetes. The organization also focuses on global health emergencies and pandemic preparedness while supporting capacity building in member countries through technical assistance, funding, and training. Completing the World Health Organization's work, the Sustainable Development Goals 3, the good health and well-being, aim to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all ages by 2030. Key focus areas include reducing maternal and child mortality, combating communicable diseases such as HIV, TB, and malaria, preventing non-communicable diseases, promoting mental health, achieving universal health coverage, and ensuring access to essential medicines and vaccines. SDG 3 emphasizes global partnerships among governments, non-governmental organizations, and communities to achieve sustainable health outcomes and foster international collaborations in addressing health challenges. These are the national health priorities in our country. We have the Universal Health Care, Department of Health Programs, and Philippine Health Agenda. Universal Health Care Act or RA 11223 signed into the law in 2019 aims to provide equitable to quality and affordable health service for all Filipinos. Under this law, all citizens are automatically included in the National Health Insurance Program or PhilHealth, ensuring financial protections and access to essential health care. The Act strengthened primary health care or PHC as a foundation of the healthcare system and promote the integrations of local health system alongside improved health financing mechanism. Its focus extends to health promotions, disease preventions, and the continuity of care across all the life stages, ensuring a holistic approach to individuals and community well-being. The Department of Health implements a wide range of national health programs to address pressing public health concern in the Philippines. Key initiatives include the National Immunization Program to prevent vaccine-preventable diseases, the National Tuberculosis Control Program, and the Maternal Newborn Child Health and Nutrition Program to improve outcomes for mothers and children. The DOH also focuses on the prevention and control of non-communicable diseases and manage environmental and occupational health programs to safeguard communities and workplaces. To effectively deliver these services, the DOH collaborates closely with the local government units, non-governmental organizations, and the private sectors, ensuring comprehensive and accessible healthcare across to our country. Philippine Health Agenda serves as the strategic framework for health development under the Universal Healthcare Law, guided by the theme Health for All Filipinos towards Health for a Life. The PHA focuses on several key areas. It aims to provide financial risk protection through comprehensive health coverage, ensure better health outcomes by promoting integrated and people-centered care, and establish a responsive healthcare system that emphasizes accountability and efficiency. Furthermore, the PHA is aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals and other global health commitments, ensuring that the national health policies contribute to broader international objectives for health and well-being. Global trends have significant impact on shaping national health policies. Challenges such as pandemics, climate change, and migration compel countries to adapt and strengthen their health system to meet emerging needs. International agreements and frameworks, including those set by the World Health Organization, United Nations, and the Sustainable Development Goals, guide national priorities and programs, ensuring alignment with global standards. Cross-border disease outbreak highlights the need for enhanced surveillance, vaccination campaigns, and emergency response system. Additionally, global research and data sharing improve evidence-based policymaking and foster health innovations, while foreign aid and international partnership influence funding decisions and technical supports, particularly in developing countries. Global movements advocating for human rights, equity, and sustainability also inspire national reform in health laws and services. Overall, these global trends encourage policy involvement among nations, promoting collective progress towards shared global health objectives. Community health nursing is a specialist field of nursing that focuses promoting and protecting the health of populations. It involves delivering healthcare services to individuals, families, and communities in their natural environments, emphasizing the preventive care and wellness. The practice aims to prevent disease, promote health, and prolong life through organized community efforts, guided by the principles of primary health care, health educations, and achieve community participations. Community health nurses plays multiple roles serving as care provider, educator, advocates, and change agents while empowering people to take responsibility for their own health. By integrating nursing knowledge with public health science, they contribute to achieving better populations, health outcomes, and fostering healthier, more resilient community. The roles of community health nurse are multifaceted and essential for promoting population health. Care provider delivers direct health services to individuals, families, and communities addressing both preventive and curative needs. Health educator provides educations on healthy lifestyle, disease preventions, and wellness practices to empower communities. Community organizer mobilizes community members and resources to identify health needs, plan interventions, and implement programs collaboratively. Researchers conduct assessment, collect data, and evaluate community health outcomes to inform evidence-based practices. Advocates represent the health needs and the rights of individuals and communities, promoting access to services and implementing health policies. The community health nurse provides services in various community settings, including health centers, barangay health stations, schools, and rural health units, in bringing healthcare closer to the populations. In this role, the SAGE implements Department of Health programs such as immunization campaigns, maternal and child health initiative, disease prevention efforts, and health education activities, ensuring that the national health priorities reach the grassroots level effectively. Community health nurses also contribute to the Global Health Initiative through active participation in the international health missions and collaborative efforts with the organizations such as World Health Organizations, UNICEF, and Red Cross. They help implement programs, provide emergency response services, and support health promotion activities in diverse populations. Additionally, they play a key role in monitoring global health indicators, collecting and reporting data that inform international health policies, guide interventions, and track progress towards global health goals. Community health nurses play a critical role in promoting social justice in health by working to reduce health disparities and ensure equitable access to care. They actively advocate for vulnerable and marginalized populations, including the poor, elderly, children, and those with limited access to health services, empowering this group to receive the care and resources they need to achieve the optimal health outcomes. Community health nurses often face challenges that can affect the delivery of care. These include limited resources such as shortage of medical supplies, funding, and personnel, which restrict the reach and quality of health services. Cultural barriers may arise when community beliefs, practices, or language differences affect the acceptance of health interventions. Additionally, political and environmental issues such as policy limitations, unstable governance, and natural disaster or poor infrastructure can further complicate health programs, implementations, and accessibility. Community health nursing operates across three levels of care. The primary care focuses on the health promotions, disease preventions, and basic curative services usually delivered at barangay health stations, health centers, and school. Secondary care involves a specialized care and management of more complex health conditions, typically provided at district or provincial hospitals. And tertiary provides highly specialized and advanced medical services open in regional or national referral hospitals. Under devolution, local government units plays a crucial role in healthcare services. They are responsible for managing local health facilities, implementing national health programs, and allocating resources to meet the specific needs of their communities. Community health nurses collaborate closely with LGUs to ensure effective, accessible, and community-centered health care. Community health nursing is guided by the core concept and principles that ensures effective and equitable delivery of health services. Accessibility. Health services should be easily available and reachable to all members of the community, especially the undeserved. Participation. Community members are actively involved in identifying health needs, planning interventions, and implementing programs. Intersectoral linkages. Collaboration with different sectors like education, agriculture, social services, local government enhances the effectiveness of health programs. Appropriate technology, use of the cost-effective, culturally acceptable, and practical tools and methods that fit the community's need and resources. Example, services provided at barangay health stations such as immunizations, maternal and child health care, health educations, basic disease management, embody this principle by being accessible, community-driven, collaborative, and context-appropriate. The healthcare team in community setting is typically composed of community health nurses, midwives, physicians, barangay health workers, nutritionists, social workers, and other allied health professionals. Each member contributes specialized knowledge and skills to provide comprehensive care to individuals and families. The community health nurse plays a central role in coordinating care for the family. This includes assessing health needs, developing care plans, monitoring progress, and facilitating referrals to appropriate services. The CHN ensures that care is holistic, continuous, and culturally appropriate, while also empowering the families to actively participate in health promotions and disease prevention activities. By acting as a liaison among the family, healthcare team, and community resources, the CHN helps optimize health outcomes and strengthen the overall well-being of the community. Family-centered of nursing care. Assessment of family health needs involves systematically evaluating the physical, emotional, and social environment health status of each family member. The community health nurse gathers information and health history, lifestyle practices, nutrition, immunization status, chronic conditions, and access to health services. This assessment also considers family dynamic, cultural practices, and socio-economic factors that influence health behavior and outcomes. Based on the assessment, the CHN formulates family nursing diagnosis, a statement that identifies actual or potential health problems within the family unit. For example, a diagnosis might be risk for impaired nutrition related to limited income and inadequate access to healthy foods. Community involvement is essential in promoting health because it fosters ownership, sustainability, and effectiveness of health programs. When community members actively participate, they help identify local health needs, support program implementations, and ensures that interventions are culturally appropriate and widely accepted. Engagement also strengthens social cohesion, encourages preventive practices, and empowers people to take responsibilities for their own health. Example of community involvement include barangay health committees, group that assist in planning, implementing, and monitoring health programs at the local level. Clean up drives, community-led initiative to improve sanitations, reduce vector-borne diseases, and promote environmental health. Health education campaign, residents actively participating in seminars, workshop, and awareness drives. Vaccination outreach program, volunteers and local leaders mobilizing families to ensure full immunization coverage. By participating in these activities, communities contribute to better health outcomes and stronger collaborations with health professionals. Culture can be defined as the shared beliefs, values, custom, behavior, and social practices of a particular group of people that are passed from one generation to the next. It encompasses the language, religion, tradition, and ways of interacting, influencing how individuals perceive the world and make decisions. Culture significantly shapes health behavior and health-seeking practices. It affects how people understand illness, interpret symptoms, and decide when and where to seek care. For example, some communities may rely on traditional healers or herbal remedies before consulting formal health services. Cultural belief can also influence dietary practice, hygiene habit, adherence to medications, and participation in preventing measures like vaccinations. Understanding cultural factors is therefore crucial for health professionals to provide effective, respectful, and culturally sensitive care that aligns with the values and needs of the community. These are the common Filipino cultural practice related to health. We have the hilod, the traditional massage, herbal medicine, panata or bow of offering. Also use of albularyo and paid healers. In the Filipino culture, certain values and beliefs strongly influence health behavior and decisions. Bahala na attitude. This reflects sense of fatalism or living outcomes to fate, which can affect proactive health-seeking behavior. Some individuals may delay seeking medical care, relying on luck or divine will instead of preventive or timely interventions. Hiya or sense of shame and utang na loob or debt of gratitudes. HIA may prevent individuals from openly discussing health outcomes or health concern or asking for help, while utang na loob can influence decision to follow the advice or favor from the family, friends, or health providers. This value can shape adherence to treatment or participation in health programs. Influence of religion. Religious beliefs often guide health practices, treatment choices, and coping mechanism. For example, some may prepare prayer or spiritual healing, adhere to dietary restriction, or delay certain medical intervention based on faith. Religion can also provide emotional support and reinforce healthy behavior through community teachings. Understanding this culture influences allows community health nurses to provide culturally sensitive care, build trust, and design interventions that are respectful and acceptable to the Filipinos family. In Filipino culture, family and social structures plays a crucial role in the health-related behavior and decisions. Extended family support, families often live in close-knit units, providing emotional, financial, and caregiving support. This network can encourage adherence to treatment, assist in assessing health services, and provide care during the illness. Elders' influence on decisions. Older family members are highly respected and their opinions often guide health choices for the household, including seeking medical care or following traditional remedies. Respect for authority and hierarchy. Filipino tends to value deference to authority figures, including health professionals. This respect positively influences compliance with medical advice, but may also discourage asking questions or expressing concern about treatment. Understanding this cultural dynamic helps community health nurses design interventions that engage the family unit, respect elders, and effectively communicate health messages. Values play a certain role or central role in shaping health behavior and community interactions. Pakikipagkapwa-tao or humanness emphasize empathy, compassion, treating others with dignity, fostering supportive relationship in healthcare setting. Bayanihan or community spirit reflects collective cooperations and volunteerism, encouraging communities to work together in health initiatives such as clean up the rights or vaccination campaign. Paggalang or respect guides interactions with elders, authority figures, and health professionals, influencing how people follow medical advice and engage in health programs. Malasakit or concern for others motivate individuals to care for well-being of the family members and neighbors, supporting adherence to preventive measures and healthy practices. By integrating these values, community health nurses can deliver culturally sensitive care and foster stronger community participation in health promotions and disease preventions. Filipino cultural values further influence health behavior and community engagement. Family-centeredness. Decisions regarding health are often made collectively with the family actively involved in caregiving, treatment choices, and support during illness. Hospitality and cooperations emphasizes friendliness, openness, and teamwork which facilitates community participations in health programs and collaborations with healthcare workers. Optimism and faith encourage a positive outlook and reliance on spiritual beliefs to cope with illness and health challenges, promoting resilience and adherence to care when integrated with medical guidelines. Recognizing these cultural traits allow community health nurses to design interventions that respect family involvements, encourage collaborations, and support the community's coping mechanism. Certain Filipino cultures' values can sometimes pose challenges to timely and effectively health care. HIA or sense of shame, individual may delay seeking medical treatment or avoid discussing symptoms openly due to embarrassment or fear of judgment. Bahala na o fatalistic attitude, a reliance on faith can lead to reduced participation in preventive care or postponement of medical interventions as individuals leave outcomes to chance or divine will. Pakikisama, harmony and smooth interpersonal relation. While promoting social cohesion, it may affect honesty about illness, as people might withhold informations to avoid conflict or disappointing family members or health providers. Understanding these cultural nuances help community nurses provide culturally sensitive care, build trust, and encourage timely, accurate health-seeking behavior. Filipino health practices often reflect on a blend of traditional and Western medicine, influenced by cultural beliefs and spiritual practices. Traditional versus Western medicine. Many Filipinos utilize herbal medicine, hilot or massage, folk healing alongside Western medical treatments. Traditional practices are often preferred for minor ailments or as complementary care, while Western medicine is sought for serious conditions or emergencies. The role of faith and superstition in healing, spirituality, prayer, and rituals are integral to the healing process. Beliefs in anito or ancestral spirits, superstition, or divine interventions can influence when and how people seek medical care, adherence to treatment, and coping with illness. Community health nurses must respect these practices while providing evidence-based care, integrating cultural sensitivity with modern health interventions to improve acceptance and outcomes. Culturally sensitive communication is essential for effective healthcare in diverse communities. It involves actively listening, showing empathy, and showing language and approaches that are respectful of the patient's cultural background. By understanding a community's values, beliefs, and practices, nurses can build trust and encourage open dialogue about health concerns. Equally important is respecting traditional beliefs while promoting evidence-based care. Community health nurses can acknowledge and honor practices such as herbal remedies or spiritual healing while gently educating individuals and families about scientifically proven interventions. This approach ensures that care is acceptable, safe, and effective, fostering collaborations between the community and health professionals for better health outcomes. In community and family nursing, a nurse's awareness, knowledge, and skills are critical for delivering effective care. Awareness, understanding the health needs and cultural values and social dynamics of the community and family enables nurses to provide relevant and sensitive care. Knowledge, having up-to-date information on health promotions, disease preventions, and public health principles allow nurses to make evidence-based decisions and educate families effectively. Skills, practical abilities in assessment, communications, intervention planning, and collaboration ensures that care is competent, efficient, and responds to the community's need. Together, these qualities enhance the nurse's ability to promote wellness, prevent illness, and empower families and communities, forming the foundations of holistic and culturally competent community health practice. Effective community health nursing relies on culturally appropriate strategies to engage and educate communities. Use of local language, communicating in the community's native language ensure clear understanding, build trust, and encourage participation in health programs. Collaboration with community leaders, partnering with the barangay officials, elders, and local influencers help mobilize resources, gain community support, and reinforce health messages. Health education tailored to cultural beliefs, designing educational materials and programs that respect local tradition and values increases acceptance and adherence to preventive measures, treatment, and wellness practices. These approaches enables nurses to deliver effective, culturally sensitive care that is relevant and sustainable within the community. This is the example. A CHN working with a rural Filipino community respecting hilot practices while promoting safe childbirth. Community health nurses plays vital role in both locally and globally, providing essential services that promote wellness, prevent disease, and response to health challenges. A deep understanding of Filipino culture enhance care delivery by ensuring intervention are culturally sensitive, respectful, and accepted by the community. Furthermore, partnership with families and communities foster active participations, empowerment, and shared responsibilities for health, ultimately leading to better health outcomes and stronger, healthier communities. So if you want to read more onto the deeper side, these are the references of our topic for today. So that's all for our discussions. Thank you for listening. Have a good day, everyone.